Okay, today's video is a quick project I did converting our boy's bunk bed into a piece of patio furniture. It was a bunk bed. When the older boy got old enough, we chopped it in half and made it into a single bed for the youngest. But we just recently got him a larger bed. So we're figuring out what to do with this, and I thought, well, why not turn it into a bench for the deck? So took some measurements, and the cushions for these that you can buy at the store are 24 by 24. So here you see me cutting down the sideboards to make sure that it's 24 deep. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll have to cut down the length of the long boards to make it exactly 3 cushions wide. So here I'm figuring out exactly how long they are, and from here we'll cut it down. I didn't have to cut off too much, but just a little bit. Now I have to put in the holes back in for the lag bolts that go through the side to hold it all in place. Later you'll see me do the same exact procedure on the other 3 long boards on the back side. Basically just locate the holes, drill them with the drill, so that it'll make the installation a lot easier. Now they should all, double check myself, they should all line up. Could measure once and do the square, but I like to double check.
I don't blame you. I double check myself when I'm doing stuff like that too, when something requires a specific
If all my measurements line up when I put the square on there, I'm happy.
Exactly. No, better safe than sorry, because when it's something like this that has to go together in a decent way. Go ahead.
No, I don't have my earplug in.
There's a bee.
Alright, this is where I'm drilling the holes in the other ones. A little bit, but
Well, I tried. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect. As long as it's 24 here.
alright, this end needs to come up. Hold it there for just a second.
Sorry, my knee is under it. Up.
Up there.
Wait, there.
Should be able to just about see where it used to be.
I do.
The
It's
shadow.
right there.
So we should be pretty much lined up with that once I get it measurement right.
Let's just hurry because my knee's gonna give.
Oh, damn it, I just moved.
Yeah, you did, because you bumped this. Can we get this closer to the wall so it's leaning?
Where are we lined up on them shadows?
Pretty good, actually.
About there, right?
Yeah. The only thing that's not stable is that back piece because it's not leaning against the wall.
I need to do real quick.
It looks good based on the shadows.
Just 24.
Okay. Are my fingers okay?
Let go. My bit.
Give me my bit, damn you.
Screw.
Ah! Please be a fly. Please be a fly.
Let go. So now I'm just cutting the plywood pieces that originally held the mattress. I'm cutting them down so that they're the right size to fit in the new frame and support the seat cushions. Almost finished product.
Well, once I get the cushion.
Just give you a shot from here.
Just make sure to indicate it's going to be painted.
Well, if we get painted soon enough, I can just show that next step in this video.
Well, I was going to paint it next week, but it looks like it's going to rain all next week, so